Hello pilots, welcome back to Motion RC. I'm James with a quick hit here on the Rotorscale F03. This baby is a 160 size gyro stabilized helicopter, perfect for beginners. You're gonna be able to fly this around in your front yard like I am, or in your backyard, or at a local park. If you're new to helis, it's a great way to start because it's bigger than some of the other options available, so you're gonna be able to see it better, control it a little better. It won't do too much, but what it does do is helps you learn how to fly helicopters so that you're ready to take the next step. So guys, check out this little video now, just a brief, but if you want to see more, we have a link in the description to a full video that Wesley did a few months back, so more comprehensive, and of course, the link is in the description to the product page so you can get one today. So there you have it, guys. That'll do it for the F03 from Rotorscale. Check one out in the links down below. And as always, guys, stay tuned for more coming from Motion RC. Bye, guys.